Chameleons have fascinated humans for thousands of years, from ancient Greek philosophers to Isaac Newton himself. But now, modern science has uncovered a secret hidden deep inside their eyes, something Aristotle and Newton completely missed. Chameleons have telephone cord-like optic nerves, coiled in a way unseen in any other lizard, giving them nearly 360-degree vision. They move their eyes independently while scanning for prey, says Juan Daza. Then, when they spot a target, both eyes coordinate to aim their tongue perfectly. This coiled nerve structure is the hidden reason behind the chameleon's uncanny ability to look in two directions at once, and then strike with precision. Edward Stanley first noticed the unique shape during a CT scan in 2017. At first, both scientists were shocked. Chameleons have been studied for centuries, yet no one had ever fully described these coiled optic nerves. Aristotle thought chameleons lacked optic nerves entirely. Newton repeated centuries-old theories, all incorrect. Even ancient texts and anatomical drawings couldn't capture the true structure, until CT scanning allowed scientists to look without cutting. Dissections often destroyed the delicate nerves, hiding the secret for millennia. By tracking embryonic development, researchers saw that optic nerves start straight, then coil before hatching, giving hatchlings fully mobile eyes from day one. Across dozens of lizards, only chameleons had these dramatically coiled optic nerves, confirming this unique adaptation. With limited neck mobility, coiling the nerves lets chameleons swivel their eyes with minimal strain, like old telephone cords giving slack to stretch farther. They're maximizing the range of motion, Daza explains. A simple but brilliant evolutionary hack. This innovation complements other tree-dwelling adaptations, grasping tails, slow deliberate steps, and lightning-fast tongues. While the oldest known chameleon fossils date back 16 to 23 million years, this discovery helps scientists infer why their eyes evolved this extraordinary way. After thousands of years of observation, the natural world still holds secrets, waiting for the right tools to reveal them. And now, thanks to digital imaging and open data initiatives like OVERT, scientists can explore these hidden wonders without ever damaging a specimen. From Aristotle to Newton, humans have marveled at chameleons for millennia. But only now are we seeing the full genius of their design. For more discoveries that rewrite what we know about the natural world, subscribe to LG News, and stay curious.